Have you ever thought that your favorite brands might employ a bunch of wizards? As if they've cast a spell to know exactly what you need, when you need it. Welcome to the magical realm of digital marketing, where businesses seem to pull the right ads out of their wizarding hats, connecting with you on your terms, in what feels like real-time telepathy. Now don't get me wrong, digital marketing is not all hocus pocus. In its simplest form, it is the art and science of promoting products or services using digital channels. It's more than just a rabbit popping out of your mobile screen or promotional smoke signals in your emails. It's a dynamic, multifaceted discipline that uses a mix of data potions, technology spells, and creativity charms to reach out to people, engage them, and inspire action. At the center of this magical process is a fundamental concept, the customer journey. Imagine this as a magical map that traces a customer's path from the moment they first hear about a product to the point where they decide to take the plunge and buy it, and beyond. The ultimate goal of this marketing wizardry? To be a helpful guide, providing useful, relevant information at each step of the journey, like a wise old wizard guiding you through a mystical forest. First up, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. Think of SEO like a spirited game of hide and seek with Google. It's your job to stand in the middle of the digital forest, dressed in neon colors, jumping up and down, waving your arms wildly to make sure Google can spot you. Much like a compass guiding you through a dense forest, SEO ensures your business is not just participating, but winning the game when consumers search for products or services you offer. It's all about understanding what your customers are hunting for and making sure your website isn't just playing, but is the reigning champion of this hide-and-seek game. Next up is social media marketing. Imagine it as a crowded bazaar where brands and consumers bump into each other, chat, and create bonds. From Facebook to Instagram, LinkedIn to TikTok, these platforms provide a stage for businesses to share their tales, communicate with their audience, and prompt action. And here's a little humor for you. Social media marketing is much like trying to win the title of prom king or queen in the digital playground. Except the competition never ends, and the crown keeps getting snatched away by new viral trends. Coming up next is email marketing. Think of it as penning an old-fashioned love letter to your customers. Only instead of sweet nothings, you're whispering exclusive offers and valuable information into their inboxes. When done right, it's a romantic dance that can nurture relationships and encourage repeat business. And remember, unlike in love, in email marketing, unrequited love is totally fine. Think of pay-per-click advertising, or PPC, as a comedy club. It's like putting up a hilarious billboard on a bustling highway, catching the chuckles and winks of potential customers. The kicker? You're like a comedian who only has to pay the club when the audience actually laughs. That is, when they click on your ad. No laughter, no charge. Now, isn't that a fun way to advertise? And finally, let's talk about this thing called content marketing, about crafting content that really sings to your audience, whether it's a blog post, an infographic, a video, or a podcast. It's not just about peddling wares. It's about providing value, establishing authority, and building trust. Essence. It's like trying to be the Shakespeare of the digital world. But let's be honest, to sell or not to sell isn't quite as catchy as to be or not to be, is it? In a nutshell, digital marketing is a comprehensive approach to connect with your audience, understand their needs, offer solutions, and ultimately inspire action. It's about being present, relevant, and valuable in the digital spaces where your customers are chilling out virtually. Now let's wrap up with a funny recap. Imagine digital marketing as trying to navigate a digital jungle. You've got SEO, the elusive tiger, always changing its stripes. Social media marketing, the chatty parrots, spreading the word far and wide. Email marketing, the diligent ants, quietly but effectively doing their work. PPC, the quick monkeys attracting attention with swift moves. And content marketing, the wise old turtle, slowly but surely winning the race. Each has a unique role in reaching out to and engaging with the customers in this wild world of the web. The digital world, it's a real jungle out there. Remember, to thrive in this dynamic digital ecosystem, stay curious, keep learning, and always strive to provide value to your customers. Because at the end of the day, it's not about what you sell, but how you make people feel, or in our case, how you make them roar with delight. Thank you for joining this exploration of the exciting and sometimes hilarious world of digital marketing. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep laughing.